Welcome guys. Today I will discuss about practical transformer on no load. Okay. So this is our diagram. Okay. So I1 is the primary current and V1 is primary voltage. For V1 ion produce. Okay. So I1 flows through this winding. Okay. And for this winding this magnetic flux produce this denoted by phi. Okay, phi. And this turn in one number of turns here and into number of turns here. This is the primary side and this is the secondary side. Okay, and this is our secondary voltage and this is our secondary, and for this for this N2 turns E2 EMF produce, and for N1 turns here E1 EMF produce. Okay, so for this side, secondary side, V2 equal to E2. That means the secondary voltage is equal to secondary EMF. For this I2 will be 0. Okay, so I1 equal to I1 is no load primary current, and it's a very simple value. Okay, and it's also denoted by I0, and I0 has is same, I1 and I0 is same. I0 has two components. Okay, so first component, generation of magnetic flux, that means magnetizing component. Okay, denoted by I mu. Okay, and component which is responsible for magnetic losses, which is hysteresis and eddy current loss. Okay, through this primary winding. Okay, so I0 has two components, one for magnetizing component, one magnetizing component and one for iron and core losses. Okay, so two components here for two components of I0. Here one component is for magnetizing component and one component is for core and iron losses. Okay, so you can see I0 equal to I mu plus IC. Okay, this one for core and iron losses and this one for magnetizing component. This one calls magnetizing component and this one for iron and core losses. So this primary current is equal to the magnetizing component and the core loss and iron loss component. Okay, and this one, just see, it's IC equal to and I2 equal to 0, this part, and see IC equal to I0 cos phi, because is just from phasor. Okay, in the next video I will discuss about phasor. So IC equal to core and iron loss component, this equal to primary current I0 and cos phi, and I mu, this is the, that is the magnetizing component, is equal to the I0 sin phi. Okay, so I0 equal to root over I mu square plus IC square. This is the phasor sum. Okay, and power factor PF for no load transformer, no load practical transformer, cos phi equal to IC by I0. Here IC equal to core and iron loss component and I0 is the no load primary current. So in the next video I will discuss about practical transformer on load. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.